here's what I'm going to do to sign my painting. I'm gonna use the same watercolor brush, this one. What color should I use? What color do you think I should use for signature? I'm gonna test it and see if I can carve my name. Need enough paint to cover. See if I can. Now I can. Can I carve? I just carved my name with the back of the brush. And I practice just like Sargent. If I don't like it, I just wipe it. And I also want to build up, covering this unfinished part. So I'm testing to see if I have enough paint to carve. Okay, so in this case, I realized that it's not a good idea to carve. The background wash is already absorbed and dried too much, so even if I scratch my signature, it won't show up. If I do this, let's see. I'm beefing up the paint on my signature zone. So it's not really dark, but it's dark enough to show the contrast. So I'm smoothing it out, creating the ground. I'm gonna test this. I'm mimicking this background color. Don't need too much paint. You see the front rim is kind of thick, so it's okay to need more space. There you go. You want to keep having the same angle. The value is too different, too contrasty. Okay, so now let's see if I can carve this. I'm gonna try this paint scraper. Okay, that's too bad it's not working. So I have my plan C, I have my secret weapon. I'm gonna create a lighter version of the background. That's too much. I'm gonna add. Okay, I'm gonna use red. It's basically part of the original wash, right? And this mimics the signature carved on the wet canvas. I'm gonna test it. Okay, I'm adding the nest color in the background color, the dark color. Smoothing out my ground. Reload, paint. So for this one, I'm holding the brush super perpendicular, just like a Chinese calligraphy. I reload and rotating to create nice rounded sharp point. Okay. If I were to frame this, I'm gonna be mounting on the floater frame. I'm not too concerned about having my signature closer to the edge, but if you use a traditional kind of frame, make a plan to leave some space around the edge of the canvas, like inside of the canvas, because about like quarter to half inch of the canvas edge will be covered with the lip of the frame. Done. So this is my signature. Finish.